Here's the new Honda for you.
Synchronized beauty and efficiency equal a blend of perfection. At the heart of the Civic Hybrid is the sophisticated Integrated Motor Assist IMA system. It pairs a 1.5-liter iVTEC 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an electric motor. Working together, you'll achieve 44 combined city and highway MPG. Step inside, and drivers are greeted with a suite of technology features. An available Honda Satellite Link navigation system makes getting directions a breeze. The SMS text message function allows you to access your text messages without ever looking at your phone. Honda is committed to providing safety for everyone. Engineers crafted a body structure that enhances occupant protection and crash compatibility in a frontal collision. A lane departure warning and forward collision warning alert drivers with an audible warning that you may be at risk of a collision. The new 2013 Honda Civic Hybrid. Fun and efficiency. Finally, in the same species.
But savings this big won't last long. Come visit Ed Morse Honda today. We are conveniently located just east of I-95 on Blue Heron Boulevard. Visit our website at edmorsehonda.com or call us today at 1-800-767-6107.